Good evening, dear teacher. Today, I, Shivatmika, am going to explain about the egg in vinegar, water and soda water project. It was our school assignment to do this project and make a short video about it. Therefore, in this video, I will tell you about the progress made in the project from day 1 to day 5, all in detail. You can observe the following clips that I took in between the process for more information. Day 1. This is our soda water. It has some bubbles, but not a lot. Now we have our water. Water doesn't have any bubbles, no smell, no anything. Finally, at last we have vinegar. It has so many bubbles and it has the worst smell out of all three. I'll meet you in day 2 tomorrow. Water has no change like yesterday. No smell, no color change, no anything. However, soda water has some bubbles but not a lot, just like yesterday. Vinegar, on the other hand, has a lot of change. It has the most change in all of these three. The pigmentation inside the egg's shell is dissolving due to the acetic acid inside the vinegar. I'll meet you tomorrow in day 3. Day 3, almost the same as yesterday. The soda has started to create an oil-like substance on the surface. Water is exactly the same, no change at all. While vinegar, the egg is starting to turn whiter and whiter day by day because of the bleaching that is occurring. I'll meet you tomorrow. And here we go, day 4. We have soda water. Just like yesterday, it has an oil-like layer formed up on the surface. Then we have water, no change at all, just like yesterday and the day before yesterday. Now vinegar, it looks like something is happening in here. When I touch it, it is really soft. And then there is this layer that is made up by the bubble foam. And then the vinegar levels, they are starting to rise down. I'll meet you tomorrow. Finally, the last day, day 5. We can see in the soda water that the soda water has evaporated and then there are still some bubbles. Also, I think if we put the soda water for enough time, then it will look like the vinegar egg in here. Then water. The water has evaporated, some of it has evaporated, and we can see by the markings on the egg over there. And then it did not decay and it does not form any odor, nor does it look so like the vinegar. Then we have vinegar. We can observe the most change in vinegar. The color particles from the egg's shell have dissolved into the vinegar, so the vinegar is not really that clear anymore. And we can see all these bubbles forming of the foam and it has odor. These were the results. Now that you have understood and seen the clips properly, I'm going to make you understand about the project. To understand the project, we have to understand what scientific learning is. Scientific learning is a systematic way of understanding and developing ability to describe, explain, and predict any natural phenomena. We have some steps to it too. For our egg project, first, we had observation. I took 3 eggs, put them each in a plastic transparent cup and poured water, vinegar, and soda water in each respectively. I had the hypothesis, because of my background research, that the vinegar egg and the soda water egg was going to decay. Then I experimented, as I showed you in the clips that I have shown you right now. Then I analyzed if I was correct or not. I was incorrect with my hypothesis that the soda water egg was going to decay. But definitely the vinegar water one did decay. So I was partially correct, partially incorrect. That's how I came up with the conclusion that if you put eggs in one vinegar, another one soda water, and another one water, the vinegar one will decay. It also becomes squishy in the texture, and then it will dissolve by the shell because of the acetic acid present in the vinegar. Then the soda water, if we put it for enough days, then it will become like the vinegar. But only small bubbles were beginning to form in the 5 days that I showed you the clips of. In water, no change happened except for the water evaporated because I put it in the sunlight. Also, the vinegar egg, it produces an odor, so I had to put it in another room. That's how I learned about scientific learning. Our whole entire project was based off on scientific learning. Thank you.